Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's SOP video update for Wednesday, 3rd of August. And SOP is doing quite good, really holding its nerves, not quitting along with whatever Bitcoin is putting itself into. And it seems like you just came up here, consolidate for a while, drop to the downside, but still managed to continue to build the right shoulder. Okay, and the inverse head and shoulder is still active. Okay, so this is your left shoulder there, you have your head here, and then you have your right shoulder right over there. So if this was to be an entry, by the way, I would recommend that if you do come down to 416, that's going to be bad, and that's going to be like 4.78% loss to the downside. But if you do actually go to the upside, then you're looking for yourself a nice good 23% move to the upside as well. So let's see what can happen coming up for SOP. I do believe that you are still looking to actually break this level and actually go up to 539 level. It's really possible at the moment. So finger crossed. It's always better to trade after a breakout. So you break this level, come for the retest, and then you bounce off this area, and then you try to move up to that area as well. So it is what it is at the moment. The inverse head and shoulder still is in play, never invalidated or anything. So we're gonna have to just wait and watch, and it's still in a very good progress, but still, it's just a progress to move higher. Just be careful it doesn't come down to 416 and take the right shoulder. If it does take the right shoulder, then there's no good possibility. It's not good anymore to continue higher. And that's it for this quick update on SOP. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.